Now let us discuss about excretion. The biological process involved in the removal of harmful metabolic wastes, like nitrogenous materials from the body, is called excretion. Many unicellular organisms remove these wastes by simple diffusion from the body surface into the surrounding water. Multicellular organisms remove these wastes by using specialized organs for excretion. The excretory system of human beings include a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, a urethra. How is urine produced? The purpose of making urine is to filter out waste products from the blood. Like carbon dioxide is removed from the blood with the help of lungs, similarly nitrogenous waste such as urea or uric acid are removed from blood with the help of kidneys. The capillary cluster in the kidney is associated with the cup-shaped end of a tube that collects the filtered urine. Two kidneys have large numbers of filtration units called nephrons. These nephrons are packed close together. Substances like glucose, amino acids, salts and a major amount of water are selectively reabsorbed in the initial stage of filtration. The amount of water reabsorbed depends on how much excess water in the body, and on how much of dissolved waste is to be excreted. The urine forming in each kidney eventually enters a long tube that is ureter, which connects the kidneys with the urinary bladder. Urine is stored in the urinary bladder until the pressure of the expanded bladder leads to the urge to pass it out through the urethra. The bladder is a muscular organ, so it is under nervous system control. As a result, we can usually control the urge to urinate. The waste components of filtrate, such as urea and salt, remain in the nephron and become concentrated as urine and left out from body. The list on your screen shows reabsorbed and excreted materials from body. Let us discuss the functionality of artificial kidney, which is also known hemodialysis. Kidneys are very important organs for survival. Several factors like infections, injuries or restricted blood flow to kidneys reduces the activity of kidneys, and lead to accumulation of poisonous wastes in the body, which may lead to death. An artificial kidney is a device to remove nitrogenous waste products from the blood through dialysis. Artificial kidneys contain a number of tubes with a semi-permeable lining, suspended in a tank filled with dialysing fluid. This fluid has the same osmotic pressure as blood, except that it is devoid of nitrogenous wastes. The blood is passed through these tubes, and waste products from blood pass into dialysing fluid by diffusion, and purified blood is pumped back into patient. Only the difference from artificial to natural kidney is that artificial kidney doesn't involve inner reabsorption. Now let us discuss about excretion in plants. Plants use different methods for excretion compared to animals. Oxygen is a waste product for plants, which is generated during photosynthesis. A plant uses transpiration process to remove excess of water to atmosphere. Plants lose some parts such as leaves, which contains dead cells, where the waste products are stored in cellular vacuoles, and these leaves are fallen from plants. Other waste products are stored as resins in gums. Plants also excrete some waste products into the soil around them.